Hello guys and welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to connect OBS to OmeTV. And to do so, it's very easy. So let's get straight into it. Now the first thing you have to do is obviously to download OBS. Now once you have downloaded OBS, you will need to download other files, which are linked down in the description. So you'll find a link to a Mediafire file. You will just need to download it. And here you will find this zip file, right? It is named OBS cam registry fixer.zip. So just unzip it on your desktop or on any other file, and then you will find two files, OBS Cam 1. So double click on it and then click on OK, and same thing for OBS Cam 2. Click on OK. Now close your Microsoft Edge or any other browser that you're using, and then go to OBS, close it and reopen it again, and then go to Sources. Here I will click on plus and then click on media source. Now here you can name your media source if you want, and then click on OK. Select a local file. So I'll choose any local file like a video or anything like that. Click on loop and then click on OK. Now you can manage how the video is big on your screen. So if you want it to be a face cam or just an overlay for your webcam, so just rearrange it on your screen and then click on Start Virtual Camera. Now open again your browser. So let's say, for example, Microsoft Edge. Open again OmeTV. And then once you are on OmeTV, you will find yourself on this page with the media source that is selected on your screen, and that's it. That will be basically your camera. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.